Another classroom management tool is RackView. RackView allows up to 5 students to access their individual workouts through a shared device. RackView is available on any device, so that may be a personal cell phone, a tablet, or a computer. This is another great option if you're looking to limit the amount of devices in your classroom. We commonly see RackView used by students who are following a personalized weight training program or in a mixed class setting where students have grouped up and are navigating a workout of their choosing. Here's how it works. RackView is initiated by the student, so to create a RackView, you'll want to instruct your students to navigate to their assigned programs. Here, they'll see the option to create a RackView. They can search and add up to 5 total students into their RackView. Once they click Done, each student will have access to their own tab along the top of the page. Students may click into their tab to access and record their personally assigned workout. To begin logging, each student should click into their tab, select the workout they plan to complete that day, and choose Start Workout. Let's say these students are all sharing a rack, but they may be prescribed different weights, or they may even be following a different workout. Each student can reference their prescribed loading, perform the movement, and then log their set. Students can take turns referencing and logging their workouts through the shared device. RackView essentially turns the device into a workout logging station for students, therefore limiting potential distractions and limiting the amount of devices needed in your classroom. When the students are done recording, they may click Stop at any time and exit the RackView. A few things to note about RackView. Students do not have to be logging the same workout in order to be in the same RackView. You can have one student logging 3-day off-season and the other is logging an Intro to Strength workout, all through one device. The RackView also does not save. In other words, each time a student initiates a RackView, they may select a new group of students. RackView can also be a useful tool when students forget their devices or a device isn't charged. Students can pair up using RackView and still get those workouts recorded.